A very good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn, lesson 5, Knock Knock, Who is There, from your main course book. So dear students, take out your main course book. Now I am going to read lesson and you keep your finger on your book and listen and learn how to read the lesson. So knock knock, who is there? This is comic type story. As in comics, you can see different pictures, and that with the help of those pictures, a story has been told. So, this lesson is like you, and I know that you children you love reading comics. So, look at the picture given below. A stranger is trying to talk a little girl. What is the meaning of stranger? Stranger means unknown person is trying to talk a little girl. The little girl will get into a danger. So, is it true or not? If someone is stranger is trying to talk with any child, the child may get into a danger. So mummy daddy they also teach us now do not talk with strangers. Stranger means unknown person, unknown people whom you are not knowing, no need of talking with them. So can you guess how she may get into the danger? Hmm? So this story teaches us that suppose this type of situation comes, then we have to use our brain and whatever instruction our parents, mummy, daddy, they have given, we have to follow all those. In this way, we can keep ourselves safe. Okay. So in this story, there is one girl whose name is Devina. So this story is about Devina. Devina's mother is going to the market. What instruction does she give Devina? So it also happens with us when our parents, our mummy and daddy, when they need to go out from the house, they used to give certain instructions to their children. Then do this, do that. Don't do this, don't do that. So all this instruction they used to give us. Okay. Like the same way, Devina's mother also gave some instruction to Devina before she go to the market. Does Devina follow her mother's instructions or not? So, by reading this story, we will come to know. So, let us read the story, dear students. Devina is playing a game on her computer. Her mother enters, dressed to go out. So, mother said, Devina, I am going to the market. I will be gone for an hour. Please be careful. Don't open the door to anyone you don't know. And Devina said, don't worry, mummy. I will be careful. So, in this picture, you can see mummy is going to market and Devina is playing in computer. Okay. So, mummy has given her instruction, don't open the door to anyone you don't know. Okay. When parents are not at home, we have to take certain careful steps to save ourselves. Okay. And we have to follow the instruction given by our parents. And here, Devina's mother instructed her and she told, don't worry, mummy, I will be careful. And she continued playing on computer. Then Devina's mother leaves. Devina continues to play the game on her computer. So you can see the picture. Mummy is left for the market and Devina is alone at the home. She continues plays. Shortly the doorbell rings. Devina goes towards the door. Okay, and from inside the door, she asks, who is there? and from outside the door she heard the voice. One man was standing, he told, I am a delivery man from the store. I have come to deliver the things your mother had ordered. So the one man came and he was holding something in his hand and he told Devina to open the door. Okay, that's why he rang the doorbell. And see, here Devina is such a nice girl. She did not open the door. From inside the house, she asked, who is there? Okay. And Devina climbs onto a stool and peers through the peephole. Devina's height was less. She could not see through the peer hole. She could not pierce. Pierce meaning is to see out. Okay? Pierce. Let us see the meaning. Pierce means to look carefully. Do you know, children? In some houses on the door, some hole is made to see outside who is there. So that hole is known as peer hole. Peer means to see carefully. So Devina was very short girl, little girl. She could not reach up to that peer hole. So she brought one stool. She climbed on it and she saw outside through the peer hole to know who is outside the door, who is outside her house. Okay? And then she thought, I don't know him. After seeing through pea hole, she thought, I don't know this man. Mummy said not to open the door if I don't know the person. She remembered mother's instruction. Hana, Divina's mummy gave her instruction, don't open the door for anyone you don't know. And Devina, she saw, okay, she has seen through the peer hole that the man who is standing outside the door is unknown for her. He is a stranger. She does not know the person. And then she said, I don't have money to pay you. Come back later. Later means afterward, another time, after some time. Okay? So, in this way she replied, she said, come back later, please. And again the man he said, okay, I will come back later. Devina settles down in front of the television. Earlier, Devina was playing computer game, but now, after this incident, she started watching television and starts watching her favorite cartoon show. The phone rings. In the meanwhile, the phone rings. You can see her drawing room. How nicely Devina is sitting and watching TV. And this man is a stranger man, okay, who said that I came to deliver something your mummy has ordered. So Devina runs to pick up the phone. Hello, this is Devina speaking. No, auntie, mummy is not here. Yes, auntie, I can take down the message. And then she starts writing on writing pad. Okay, auntie, bye. So, meanwhile, one phone call came. She received the phone call, and that phone call was her auntie's phone call, and she has given certain some messages for her mother, and she noted down all the messages in notepad. Devina goes back to watching television. I hope no one disturbs me now. She said that I hope no one disturbs me now. Mummy is not here, so I can watch as much television as I want. Let me get some chips to eat, and gets up and goes. And she wanted to eat some chips. Maybe chips is her favorite. And she said, when mummy is not here, let me see TV programs. Okay, all my favorite TV programs I want to see because mummy is not here. Devina returns with a packet of chips and sit down again to watch television. Shortly, tring tring. Oh no, not again. Let me see who is now. Who is there? It's me, Suresh, the postman. I have letter for you. Now second times. Again the doorbell rang. And Devina, she asked, who is there? And the person replied, I am Suresh, the postman. Devina again climbed on a stool and Pierce watched carefully through the peephole. She recognizes the postman. She recognizes the postman. So what is the meaning of recognizes? To know and remember someone or something. So Devina was knowing this postman. She recognized him. Okay. Devina first put the door chain and opened the door. She puts out her hand. So now see, in some houses door chain is also there. Okay, so you can open the door and chain is there, so the whole door will not open. Only little door will open, only little, so that you can see out who is there. So she puts out her hand. You can give me the letter. Now you can see the picture. Devina puts the door chain and she puts her hand out for receiving the letter. But I need a signature, Devina. Call your mother. Devina sees her mother. She has come back from the market. At the same time, Devina, she saw that her mother has come back from the market and mummy was standing just behind the postman. Devina unhooked the door chain. Thank you, Devina. I can see you have been following all my instructions. What a good girl you are. She gives Devina a hug. Mummy appreciated Devina. She told that, what a good girl you are. Huh? You have followed all the instruction which I have given you. So children, you might be thinking, what is the meaning of instructions? Do you know? Instruction means advice and information about how to do or use something. So, Mama has given some instructions. Do this, don't do this. Do that, don't do that. And whatever Mummy told, Devina followed all those things. In this way, Devina was safe. Mummy also returned from market. She has also received letter and she was totally safe from inside the house, in her house. So dear students, thank you for watching this video. Okay, read your book, learn how to read. Thank you.